G'day and welcome to another video. In today's video I want to just show you a blanket. This blanket was given to my sister and as you can see it's very beautiful, but unfortunately it's falling apart. So much time and effort has gone into this blanket, and her bed I'm pretty sure is a queen size bed, could be a double size bed, but this blanket fits the whole bed, so you can imagine how big it is. But look at this, we have holes appearing everywhere. It is such a shame because it is such a beautiful blanket, lots and lots of lovely colours. Most of the holes are appearing on the joining section, which is the black section that you can see here. But look at the size of this end. It's not very long at all. So one of the reasons I made this video is to show you what happens when you don't leave your ends very long and you don't sew them in properly. And that is the main reason why this blanket has started to fall apart. I'm not sure how old this blanket is, but I know that it's no more than a couple of years old. You can see this beautiful square, but look at this. This is how short the ends are, and they haven't even been sewn in. They've actually been knotted together and then cut off. You can see that tiny fluffy thing? That is the end. So over time and with washing and using the blanket, those little tiny ends there just work their way undone, and unfortunately your blanket starts to unravel. Sometimes it can be just a little bit and it's easy to fix, but sometimes it's a lot worse. The reason I saw this blanket, this is at my sister's house, she said to me, "Can you fix a crochet blanket?" And I said, "Yeah, sure. I'm pretty sure I could do that. Give me a look and I'll see if I can do it." So she took me into the bedroom and showed me this blanket, and I just went, no, there's too much damage, unfortunately. So I hope you enjoyed this video on seeing a beautiful blanket, but unfortunately also what happens when you don't sew your ends in and leave enough. I personally leave about 2 to 3 inches and then I will sew them in. Sometimes I crochet over the top of the ends, but other times I will sew them in. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you leave your tails a bit longer. Share your creations on our Facebook page and also follow me over on Instagram. Please subscribe as there's always crochet tutorials coming out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crochet!